Welcome to my new listing at 729 Black Oak Circle. Unleash your inner foodie in this chic, revamped kitchen. Open flow to this cozy family space and elegant dining area. Current vibe is ultimate gathering spot, but imagine transforming this into a playroom, chic office, or even an extra bedroom. The potential is endless. Living the dream with breathtaking mountain vistas and lush green vibes all around, I'm obsessing over this luxe South Corona gem. Spa day every day, right in your own remodeled bathroom.